Buying a car is a long-term commitment, and the last thing you want is to be stuck with a vehicle that drains your wallet with endless repairs. Some cars hit 60,000 miles with ease, while others struggle to even make it that far. Whether it is a failing transmission, electrical nightmares, or sky-high repair costs, these cars will make you regret your purchase. If you want to save your money and avoid stress, steer clear of these 5 unreliable models. Volkswagen Atlas. At first glance, the Volkswagen Atlas seems like the perfect family SUV, offering spacious seating, modern tech, and a stylish design. But do not let its good looks fool you, because under the hood lies a mechanical disaster waiting to happen. Owners have reported severe transmission failures, electrical malfunctions, and engine issues, often occurring well before the 60,000-mile mark. One of the biggest problems is the faulty timing chain tensioner, which can cause complete engine failure. To make matters worse, the Atlas suffers from frequent fuel injector problems, leading to rough idling, poor acceleration, and costly repairs. On top of that, Volkswagen's reputation for expensive repairs means you will be spending thousands just to keep this SUV running. Why it stands out, in a bad way. Despite its roomy cabin and modern features, the Atlas has one of the worst reliability records in its class, making it a risky choice for long-term ownership. If you think this is bad, wait until you hear about the next SUV, a model that has been frustrating owners for years. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has built a reputation as a rugged, go-anywhere SUV, but the reality is far from impressive. Repeated complaints about engine stalling, electrical glitches, and transmission failures make this one of the most problematic SUVs in its category. The 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, found in many Jeep models, is notorious for excessive oil consumption, leading to costly repairs and potential engine failure. Meanwhile, the 8-speed automatic transmission has been reported to hesitate, jerk, and even fail entirely. Combine that with fragile suspension components that wear out quickly, and you have an SUV that may not even make it past 60,000 miles without major issues. Why it stands out, in a bad way, it promises adventure and off-road capability, but its long list of mechanical failures and high repair costs make it a nightmare for owners. If you thought Jeep's reliability was questionable, wait until you see what this luxury brand is putting out. Land Rover Discovery. Land Rover is synonymous with luxury and off-road capability, but the Discovery is one of the most unreliable SUVs in the market. From constant electrical failures to engine misfires, air suspension breakdowns, and transmission issues, this SUV is filled with problems. One of the biggest concerns is the turbocharged Ingenium engine, which has been reported to suffer from excessive oil leaks, overheating, and sudden power loss. Air suspension, one of its premium features, is another major weak point, often failing before 50,000 miles, leading to an uncomfortable ride and expensive repairs. Even routine maintenance on the Discovery is outrageously expensive, making this SUV a financial nightmare. Why it stands out, in a bad way. It is luxurious and offers great off-road performance, but its frequent breakdowns and high maintenance costs make it one of the worst choices for long-term ownership. If you thought European luxury meant reliability, the next car on this list will change your mind. Cadillac XT4. Cadillac is supposed to represent premium American luxury, but the XT4 proves that even high-end brands can get it completely wrong. This compact SUV has been plagued with reliability issues, including turbocharger failures, weak transmissions, and electronic glitches. Many owners have reported infotainment system malfunctions, power steering failures, and unpredictable engine performance. The biggest red flag? The 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, which suffers from early wear and tear, leading to costly repairs long before the 60,000-mile mark. When combined with repair bills that rival those of European luxury brands, the XT4 is simply not worth the headache. Why it stands out, in a bad way. It tries to compete with luxury SUVs, but its poor reliability, weak engine, and high repair costs make it a poor investment. If you thought American luxury meant dependability, the final car on this list will make you think twice before buying. Nissan Sentra. The Nissan Sentra may be an affordable choice for budget-conscious buyers, but its low price comes with a heavy cost, unreliability. The biggest issue? Nissan's infamous continuously variable transmission, CVT, which has been plagued with overheating, slipping, and premature failure. Many owners report complete transmission breakdowns before even hitting 60,000 miles, leading to expensive replacements that often exceed the value of the car itself. On top of that, the Sentra suffers from poor build quality, cheap interior materials, and an overall uncomfortable ride. Why it stands out in a bad way? The Nissan Sentra might seem like a good deal upfront, but its weak transmission and poor durability make it one of the worst long-term investments. If you thought affordability meant reliability, this car proves otherwise. Consumer Reports verdict. According to Consumer Reports, these vehicles have received below-average reliability scores based on owner feedback, repair history, and mechanical durability. The Volkswagen Atlas and Jeep Grand Cherokee have been flagged for their frequent engine and transmission failures, while the Land Rover Discovery continues to suffer from costly electrical and suspension failures. The Cadillac XT4 has one of the worst owner satisfaction ratings in its class, and the Nissan Sentra's CVT issues have led to widespread complaints and costly repairs. If you want a car that lasts, these models should be avoided. Outro. When buying a car, reliability should always be a top priority. These 5 models may look appealing at first, but their long-term issues will cost you more than they are worth. If you want a stress-free driving experience, staying away from these money pits is the smartest move. Always do your research and choose a vehicle with a proven track record of reliability. Our opinion: purchasing a car should bring peace of mind, not endless trips to the repair shop. The Volkswagen Atlas, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Land Rover Discovery, Cadillac XT4, and Nissan Sentra all have serious long-term reliability concerns that could leave you stranded with a hefty repair bill. If you are looking for a dependable vehicle, it is best to explore more reliable alternatives from brands that prioritize durability and performance. Call to action. Have you ever owned one of these unreliable cars? Or do you know someone who has been through the nightmare of constant breakdowns and repairs? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening car advice. Stay tuned for more insights on the best and worst cars on the market.